Hey guys, welcome to Mine Life. Anyway, so today, as I said, I got my IDE drive, 128 gigs, and I made 25 gigabyte partitions for every single version of OS X that this thing supports. So, since I've run out of DVDs, guys, I burned through all of these. Like, I could not get, like, for example, Panther booting on here. Like, there are so many DVDs that, like, I used. So anyway, so the plan is, as it's supposed to go, I'm copying the Jaguar ISO to my desktop here. So I'll move this apart and show you. The plan is that I use disk utility, restore it to the untitled partition, and hopefully it boots. And I'll be able to install it onto the Jaguar partition. And so let's wait for this to copy and I'll get back here. Guys, the ISO has copied onto here. So now it's time for me to go and unplug it and get the keyboard back in. Alright guys, so I did it. Okay, let's ignore that. I'll go to disk utility. We'll wait for it to show up. Boom. Oops, why is it not showing? Yep, there we go. There's disk utility.app. So the hope is that I open the untitled partition. Wait for it to get. This is an IDE hard drive, so it is very, very slow. And there we go. Untitled 5. There's a button called restore. Oop, they want us to drag it onto here. So what I'll do is I'll pull this here. I'll get the OS X Jaguar and I will drag it into here. The destination is, yep, and there it is. Oop, yep. And then we can click raise destination. Oops, yeah. Drag it. Okay. So let me figure this out. I think they're supposed to drag. Yep, there we go. Perfect. There we go. Get the part source and we get the destination. And we'll see how it goes. Yep. Alright. Let's type in the password. Alright, so let's wait for this to finish. This might take a few. Wait. So, it says operation not permitted, which now means I'll try doing erase destination. Yeah. Erase all data on Untitled 5. Continue. Yes, I'll continue. Okay, we'll try again this time. There we go. It's copying and it fails again. Okay. Okay, so this is taking a bit of an unexpected turn over here. Let's stop and I'll see what I can do. Yes, I'm back guys, and I finally figured out how to do this thing. So I converted the ISO to a CDR file. Then I dragged this here, and then I dragged that here, and then I finally clicked restore. Now it's finally copying it over. I'll tell you when this finishes copying, and then we'll reboot and see what happens. Alright guys, so I've got it. So it's here. Apparently it's been burnt, so let's see how it looks. Okay, let's go to the partition. Alright, so this apparently has something on it. Let's shut this down and see if this shows up in the boot options, because this better show up in the boot options. It's taken me through so much pain. So, yep, the clock is ticking. Alright, here comes the moment of truth. So, just that. Just let it start up for a bit. I'm holding option, or on this keyboard it's alt, because this keyboard is meant for Windows. It's from my old computer. Anyway, so let's wait for it to turn on. Hopefully it should go. Oh, Untitled 5 shows. This isn't bad. It shows. It shows in the boot menu. Okay. Now this is amazing. Now the thing is, we just have to hope it boots. Okay. Untitled 5, and let's click on it. Alright, I'll wait for it to boot and I'll tell you guys if it booted or not. Well, I've got amazing news for y'all. It booted. Anyway, we're using English as the main language. Okay, I'm genuinely kind of nervous about this. Okay, welcome to the OS X installer. You will be guided through the necessary steps to install OS X. Wait, let me go to the options. Right, I need to disable some things. Continue Power Mac G4 supported. Okay. Oop. I will click on Jaguar HD. Let's click on options. Okay. Installation type. Let's click customize and let's go. Let's synchronize everything localized for other languages. Don't need additional Asian fonts. Nobody's gonna use tunes in iMovie. Okay. Okay, I will for now I'm not sure. I will check and come back to you because I don't have installed this too. So if I select that, then I'll honestly be kind of cooked with this. So actually, let's not do the additional applications or just stay safe. We can always install iTunes. I don't want Adobe Acrobat anyway. Oh, it's preparing the disk. Let's just wait for this. I got amazing news. The disk shows up. So this is our Tiger install. This is our installer disk. Again, this is another install disk. So this should boot us into OS X Jaguar. Okay, here we are. We're booting, and again, this time we'll probably boot. So I'll come back when it boots. Again, this is a slow IDE drive, so it takes a couple of minutes. We're booting OS X. Guys, it's working. Okay, I have plugged in Ethernet and all sorts of stuff in it. So blue screen. Cursor works amazing. This is so exciting. Yesterday I was like, oh, I don't think I can get Jaguar on this without a DVD. Because I am critically short of DVDs again. Install video. I'm gonna have to stop this, sorry, because it's copyrighted. Alright, where will you primarily use this computer? Okay, I will just say home. IDK. I'll just do like ID, whatever. No, I don't want to receive stuff from Apple. It's not like they're gonna send it to me anyway. Like, this thing is so old. Okay. Alright, I'll just say, I'll use my existing internet service. I use Ethernet's plugged in right here. Yes, I'll just use that. No, thank you. I will set it up later. No, I'm not even getting it. Continue. Okay, it's connecting to Apple. Talking with Apple connected. I'm surprised. Okay. This is probably not going to go well. So I will cancel this. It's disconnecting for some reason. It's okay. It wants me to set up mail. Absolutely not. Yep, whatever. It's a bit wrong, but okay. And it's the moment of truth. We enter the Jaguar desktop. Okay, the wallpaper is rendering, and we are officially inside Mac OS X Jaguar. Oh, this feels really snappy, like more than Tiger. Oh well. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna fix the resolution. This is atrocious. Okay, let's go into displays. Let's do. I don't know which one to do. I'll check and get back to you. Yes, guys, we fixed the resolution. It finally displays correctly. Wait, let me just alter this. Yep, we now officially have OS X Jaguar working. Which honestly feels a bit snappier. Okay. Now, the important thing I want to do is turn on dock magnification. You can't use a Mac without dock magnification. Nope, this feels pretty smooth, to be honest. Okay. Minimize using the genie effect. How good is it? Okay, this is pretty good. Okay, anyway, now that we have successfully gotten OS X Jaguar. Yep, 10.2 is booting, guys. And anyway, thank you for watching Mine Life. I'll post a review of OS X Jaguar in my next video. because some of you might be curious, and I will also post another video if I'm installing another version of OS X on this computer. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!